Hey, welcome at video number 300 at this channel. The Not Just Sawdust channel started more than a decade ago with a first video made for the Whirly Gig Wars, and that video led to this channel. Now I could go back in time and reminiscing about all the videos we made, but that's 300, so that's not going to work. And we're living in a new time, at a new place, waking up every morning with all that noise from the swallows, and it's just getting on with our lives. Now, as I'm making this guitar case, which you could see in the last video, today we're gonna decorate it, make it a bit more appropriate to the little guitar where it's made for. In the meanwhile, I will put in some footage, photos of other cases I made. I thought that was a nice way to look back at what we did in the other workshop on the Lonesome Hill in central Portugal, and show you that you have to reinvent even a guitar case every time again. For those who haven't seen other videos of this channel, well, they're all available for free on YouTube, so no reason not to look back at some things we did. We are thankful for all the orders that we got in the past, especially when it was needed, making furniture and making all kinds of things for other people. But now, as a semi-pensioner, well, let's have some fun in the workshop and make some new things. I'm persuaded to rise up early by hundreds of little sparrows. They search for shelter at sunset and comfort for the night that follows. Double-glazed windows can't keep out their loud dawn chorus at daybreak's call. The first few coffees disappear beneath a choir of octave notes. While half of me still tries to wake, I hear my neighbor's bleating goats. I know I chose the countryside, it's just a little early for animal quotes. You can choose to make life hard or turn away and let it go. You can live by the corporate clock or let nature guide you slow. Little sparrows wake me every morning. Maybe that rhythm's all I need to know. After an hour upon the porch, 5 cups down and a 3-meter commute, they convinced me to open the workshop and set that creative engine loose. I open the door and switch on the lights, then realize I'm still in my birthday suit. Once dressed and ready for the day, breakfast, newspaper, coffee once more. A few productive hours roll by noon it's 42, the Portuguese score. Horizontal gravity takes hold of me, siesta time, muito calor. You can choose to make life hard or turn away and let it go. You can live by the corporate clock or let nature guide you slow. Little sparrows wake me every morning. Maybe that rhythm's all I need to know.
settling in with loud debate, a cacophonic choir of sharp high notes declaring the hour is getting late. The burning sun finally steps away, while birds applaud my midday escape. You can choose to make life hard or turn away and let it go. You can live by the corporate clock or let nature guide you slow. Little sparrows wake me every morning. Maybe that rhythm's all I need to know.
So now I've come to the semi-pensioner state in life, grey and confused, and sometimes missing a bit of power, energy and creativity. But over the last few videos I think I did pretty well. I could ask you to become a Patreon like we do almost every time, but there's another possibility to give us a little bit of support, and that's by buying me a coffee. Now this way of supporting the channel is just by a one-time little donation. I think the minimum is $5, I don't know exactly, but it's not like a monthly thing like Patreon. Patreon over the last few months became a kind of Facebook for makers, and although I would like you to be a patron, yes, you have to realize that that's a monthly payment that you agree on, although you can always stop it when you want. Now, as for the case we are decorating, I want to try to duplicate the shape and the colors of the little guitar that's going in there. And later on, of course, we need to make it look a bit vintage, damaged, rusted. Well, it needs some age, like I have.
Sou convencido a acordar cedo por centenas de pequenos pardais. Procuram abrigo ao pôr do sol e conforto para a noite em paz. Nem vidros duplos conseguem calar o chiliar alto quando o dia renasce. Os primeiros cafés desaparecem ao som de oitavas em canção, enquanto metade de mim desperta, ouço as cabras do vizinho em discussão. Eu sei que escolhi o campo para viver, mas ainda é cedo para tanta comunicação. Podes escolher complicar a vida ou deixar a corrente levar. Podes viver pelo relógio da empresa ou deixar a natureza mandar. Os pequenos pardais acordam-me cedo e talvez seja esse o ritmo para aceitar. Depois de uma hora na varanda, 5 cafés e 3 metros de percurso, convenceram-me a abrir a oficina e pôr a criatividade em curso. Abro a porta, acendo as luzes e percebo que ainda estou nu no percurso. Já vestido e pronto para o dia, pequeno almoço, jornal e mais café. Esperam-me horas de trabalho produtivo, mas ao meio-dia estão 42 de pé. A gravidade horizontal vence outra vez. Hora da sesta, muito calor, pois é. Podes escolher e complicar a vida, ou deixar a corrente levar. Podes viver pelo relógio da empresa, ou deixar a natureza mandar. Os pequenos pardais acordam cedo, e talvez seja esse o ritmo para aceitar. Ao pôr do sol os pardais regressam, instalando-se em grande confusão. Um concerto cacofónico de notas agudas a anunciar o fim da jornada. Então o sol ardente vai finalmente descansar, enquanto os pássaros aplaudem a minha cesta de verão. Podes escolher complicar a vida, ou deixar a corrente levar. Podes viver pelo relógio da empresa, ou deixar a natureza mandar. Os pequenos pardais acordam cedo, e talvez seja esse o ritmo para aceitar.
Now as for this case, we want to make it look a bit vintage, a bit old, a bit damaged, and we're using Oxido, which is a kind of rust paint, but not really a paint. So you've got like a base coat that you put on the spots where you want rust, and then you got an actuator that you put on there, and then the rust starts. So you can even make plastic rusty. I hope you like this video. I don't know what the next project is going to be. We have to do some maintenance on the house, and maybe normal things in life are worth videotaping too. But for now, this is it. A little case for our 3-string guitar. Hope to see you in the next video. Wish you all the best. At the logo.